Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you another feature available in our web visualization environment, which is the image switch object. To edit, I'll open the lamp switches and bitmaps category and select the image switcher. Then drag onto the screen and resize it accordingly. Now as you can see, initially the object appears transparent, and that is because no images have been assigned yet. So I'll go to the properties, and under the image settings section, here we can define which image will be displayed when the associated variable is true and which image will be displayed when the variable is false. Now for the on state, I'll double click the image field, then click the three-dot button. This opens the visualization's internal image library, and this library contains all of the built-in images available for use in the visualization. For this example, let's see, I'll use this red lamp here. For the on state, click OK. Next, I'll configure the off state. Again, I'll double click the image field and click the three-dot button and choose another image from the library. For the off state, I'll choose this gray lamp. Click OK. And after confirming the selection, the image switch object immediately displays the configured graphics. As you can see here, let's resize it. Now, let's associate a variable with the object. Under the variable property, let's see right here, I'll select one of the mapped PLC variables. In this example, I'll use output02. Next, I'll add another control object. So let's go to the toolbox, select this power switch. Okay. And if you compare the configuration of the switch with the image switcher, you'll notice that most of the properties are very similar. The main difference is the graphical representation of the object itself. Now, for the toggle switch, I'll assign the same variable, output02. Now both objects are linked to the same PLC variable. Let's run the simulation. Now, when I click the toggle switch, the value of output02 changes. As soon as the variable becomes true, the image switch displays the red lamp image. When the variable becomes false, it switches back to the gray lamp image. As you can see, the image changes automatically according to the state of the linked variable. This makes the image switch a very useful object for creating custom visual indicators, allowing you to represent equipment status, alarms, operating conditions, or any other process state using different images instead of simple colors or standard lamp objects. By combining image switches with the PLC variables, you can create much more intuitive and visually appealing operator interfaces in your web visualization objects. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.